This video is created for educational and demonstration purposes only. The information shown is intended to help healthcare students and professionals understand the basic principles and techniques of IV cannulation and IV drip administration. It is not a substitute for formal medical education, clinical training, or professional medical advice. IV cannulation and IV therapy should only be performed by qualified healthcare professionals or students under the direct supervision of a licensed instructor or healthcare provider. Every healthcare facility has its own protocols and infection control guidelines, which should always be followed. Do not attempt to perform this procedure on yourself or another person without proper training, knowledge, and authorization. Incorrect IV insertion or improper handling of medical equipment can lead to serious complications, including infection, bleeding, nerve injury, tissue damage, or other medical emergencies. Release the tourniquet and connect the primed IV giving set to the cannula. Open the roller clamp and confirm that the IV fluid is flowing smoothly without any swelling or leakage at the insertion site. The techniques demonstrated in this video may vary depending on institutional policies, patient conditions, and current clinical guidelines. Always use your professional judgment and follow the latest evidence-based practices. By watching this video, you acknowledge that the creator and AK medical skills are not responsible for any injury, loss, damage, or misuse resulting from the application of the information presented. Viewer discretion and professional responsibility are strongly advised.